What's going on? Welcome back to the channel. So today's video we have a final review on the Aoshima Nissan Skyline. This is a GT-E.S 4-door sedan type deal. 1979. This is, you know what this car is. This thing is actually pretty cool. This is actually a really nice kit, very simplified. So you can literally throw this kit together within like 2 weeks. This is what I did. This is literally 2 weeks right here worth of building. And it's a really nice model. I'm sure you can do it faster in 2 weeks. If you have like a 48-hour build or even a 24-hour build, this kit will be doable because there's not a lot of parts to it, and it's a very simplified kit. And overall, it's a really nice kit from Aoshima. It goes together super well as expected, and it's just a cool looking car, Japan car. You know, it's pretty neat. So I want to show you what we did to mine. Here is the final review of mine, and this thing actually looks really cool. So my story on this build was I wanted to look like this car was heavily used in Japan, you know, back in 1970s and 80s, and well, actually 80s and 90s and early 2000s, you know, heavily used. And then I wanted to look like it was abandoned for a few months, and then a family came along, and you know, they don't have a lot of money, so they came up on this car. They got it running and stuff, and now they're driving it again. It's back on the road. So that's why it's all like not rusty, but you know, all corroded and just a lot of stuff on it, because I want to look like it was abandoned one time, you know, and it just kind of, you know, faded and stuff from the sun. But they got back on the road, and who cares what the exterior looks? It just, you know, how it is, and it looks so cool. So that's why I did all the weathering. The color is actually desert, a dull yellow from splash paints, and it actually looks really good. This is actually a factory color from Nissan for this car back in the day. Pretty cool. And of course, all the weathering was from ammo, pigments and stuff, like pigments and, you know, what was it, like streaks and stuff. Used my airbrush on it. It looks really cool. All the chrome has been redone. I stripped all the chrome and repainted the chrome with Alclad. Of course, I dulled it down. I dusted it up, you know, so it's not as shiny, and it looks good. The wheels are from, everything on this kit is stock. I did not do any aftermarket parts. Literally, this is a box stock kit. Surprising for me, but yeah, this is a box stock kit. So the wheels are from a kit. I did not strip the wheels because I actually do like the wheels with how they come in the kit. They're in this like aluminum look finish, so the wheels look good. And of course, I did a little bit of rust and grinding on the wheels and stuff, and you know, it looks pretty cool. And the tires, I left the tires alone. Like they just got new tires because I want to look like the old ones. You know, probably the old ones are dry rotted and stuff, so they had to get some new tires on there. So that looks pretty cool. Of course, here's the fuel tank. We got some fuel stains coming down when they're pumping the gas, and they're kind of spilling it all over the place. So that looks pretty cool. The windows, we got it all dusted because I kind of want to look like they live on a dirt road. So the car is getting all dusty. There's a bunch of dust on the windshield and windows and stuff, and I'm kind of brushing it off so they can see. Of course, got our windshield wiper effect on there. This kit, it does have two options for grills. You can have this type of grill or the four-door, or the four headlight grill. This is it right here. So I like that look. It looks pretty cool on this version. Of course, you do have two different type of back ends. You do have that one, or of course you do have this one that can fit like Japanese, or you know, like other country license plates on there that has the long license plates on there. Like Australia, you know, that kind of stuff. But very cool, and this thing looks really cool. The windshield and back glass, they have the chrome, and then of course on the side windows they have the black. It's just how this car optioned it back in the day, or you can have it all chrome. But I could do like the black on the windows, on the side windows. Looks pretty cool, and then of course the chrome on the windshield and back glass. So that looks pretty cool. And yeah, like I said, I didn't rust it. We just put a little bit of rust over here, and that's it. I didn't do any rust on it. And on one of my update videos, I got so much comments saying cars don't rust in Japan. Well, take a look at this. So yeah, cars rust in Japan. Cars rust more than usual in Japan because Japan, there is an island, so they're literally surrounded by ocean, and if they get breeze of salt water, like mist on the cars over there, and yeah, cars rust over there in Japan. So don't say they don't rust, because they do, but I didn't want to rust this one out. So those who are bashing me in the comments saying the Japan cars don't rust, might want to do your research first, because they do. But very cool. So that's it for the exterior. The interior, I totally forgot to take pictures of the interior, but take a look at my last video. There's a link to it or down below. The interior, I kept it all nice and clean. I want to look like they got this car and they just detailed the living crap out of the interior. The exterior, who cares about that? You're not going to get that clean unless you get a fresh paint job. But the interior, of course, it can be restored. So I want the interior super clean, like they just super clean these seats, carpet, dashboard, everything, so the interior is like spotless in there. The interior I did in the Tamiya dark brown, I think it is. Yeah, dark brown. It is the PL or LP77. It is their lacquer paint. So that's the interior color for the seats and door panels and the steering wheel, and then the center console, dashboard, I did in black. So it looks pretty cool. There's contrast in there. So yeah, the interior is pretty nice. Of course, we did some flocking. That's really only aftermarket part, so I guess it's not fully box stock because I did flocking, but oh well. It's mostly box stock. But other than that, that's it for the interior. The chassis is very simplified. I don't think I took any pictures of that. If I did, they're on your screen. But it's a curbside kit, so there's not really much to look at. The only thing you have separate was the muffler. Literally just one little piece of muffler and your drive shaft. That's it. And you know, of course, your suspension and stuff separate and stuff. But it's very basic under there, so you're not going to turn the car upside down anyway. So, but other than that, the car, this kit really shines for the exterior and interior. That's what this kit is mainly for. And it's just a really cool car. I love how I did it. I love the weathering. It looks so good. Just in case you're wondering how I did the weathering, of course, a lot of it was from Airbrush. It is from, you know, ammo. A lot of their dust, white dust, dirt dust. It was from just a bunch of pigments I used. I had laying around, and you know, Airbrush really helps with that, and just get this nice streak on there. It looks so cool. Of course, we wrinkled with chrome, so I did not do the chrome on the windows as perfect because I want kind of bubbly, because you know, chrome, it kind of wrinkles in the sun. Well, over here I did pretty clean. I shouldn't have done that, but on the windshield I kind of did it on purpose. So, well, I actually did it on purpose because I want to get the sun's beating on the chrome, and you know, yeah, there it goes, kind of wrinkling. So like it is in real life. But yeah, looks really cool. But other than that, guys, this is a really fun kit. It's a really quick, easy build. Like I said, it only took me 2 weeks. Last week, I was literally painting it. And then it got done. And the fun part about these curbside kits, people say curbside kits are just junk. You know, why bother building them? You know, the best part is to build an engine. Yes, but if you want to do a nice, simple, easy build, these kits are amazing. And the best part is, there's no engine. You can go crazy with the paint job or weathering. That's what I did on here. Of course, the weathering, and it just adds the look to it. Who cares about the engine? What this kit really shines is the weathering. And you know, when I take this to shows, most people are just gonna look at the weathering job on it, like on the wheels, the windows. People are really looking at that, and they're gonna forget about the engine. So it's really cool. So I really enjoyed this build. So, but other than that, guys, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed. Stay tuned. There's some pictures of it in the photo booth at the end, and then we'll probably have a picture slideshow later on today or next day, whenever when this video is coming out. But other than that, guys, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it, and until my next video, we'll catch you guys next time.